Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Are you fine? Just so? Or no, I'm terrible? Well, hopefully you are fine at home. As we know, today we're gonna make a paper windmill. A paper windmill. But before we make it, you should prepare these tools. Okay? The first is 2 origami papers. 2 origami papers. And the second is a scissor. A scissor, okay? And the third is a glue. A glue, okay? And the fourth is a pen. A pen. And the last, a chopstick. A chopstick. Remember, this is a chopstick. So, ketika kalian ingin makan di sebuah restoran, kalian bisa bilang, "Mas, chopsticknya dong." Jadi, tidak usah, "Mas, sumpitnya dong." Jadi, chopstick aja ya, biar keren. Oke? Good job. So, first of all, what should you do is, please show me your origami paper. Please show me. Good job. Now, the next is fold your origami paper become like this. Okay? Fold your origami paper become triangle like this. Please show me your triangle. Where is yours? Yes, good job. Now, please open it and do the same thing on the other side. Okay? Like this. Okay, finish? Yes? Now, please open your origami paper like this. As you can see, there are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Okay? And now, you need to give them sign. You need to give them sign here. So in the half of line. So not too far from the center and not too near to the center. Okay? In the half. Okay, now do the same things on the other sides. Okay? Finish? Okay. Have you finished? Good job. Now, please cut until your sign. Okay? Cut it with your scissors. Please do it carefully ya. Okay. Okay, cut it like this. And now do the same things on the other sides. Okay? Okay, this is mine. So, where is yours? Please show me. Wah, bagus ya. Good job. Now, something that you should do is give it glue. Give a little glue, remember, just a little, to the center. This is the center, okay? Give it. Finish? Good job. Now you need to fold this side to the center. Fold this side to the center. Can you see it? Good job. Now give it glue. Just a little. And fold this side to the center, okay? And one more. Put the glue and fold this side to the center, okay? The last, put the glue and fold this side to the center. Like this. This is mine. Where is yours? Please show me. Oh, yes, good job. Now, you need to press the center with something and wait it for few minutes, okay? Wait it. Okay. While waiting, take your origami paper and let's make a circle. A circle, okay? A small circle, okay? Okay, this is mine. Now, let's cut it. Okay? Okay, do it carefully ya, because it can make your finger bleeding. Okay? Okay. Okay, this is my circle. Where is yours? Please show me. Wah, bagus ya punya kalian. Good job. Now, please put a little glue. Put little glue. Okay, and give it to the center. This is center, okay? Like this. Have you finished it? Yes? Good job. Now, time to pin your paper windmill to your chopstick. Pin it with your needle. Okay? Do it carefully. Okay. Now, pin it here. Remember, here ya. Yeah. Press it. Wow, finish. This is my paper windmill. Where is yours? Please show me. Wah, bagus banget ya punya kalian. Good job everyone. Now, after you finish it, Miss Jey would like to ask you a question. Do you know what kind of energy is this? Please tell me. Yes, that's true. This is wind energy. Okay, now you can play with your paper windmill by singing this song. Okay, let's sing it together. Walking on the ground. Walk, jump. Walking on the ground. Walking. Walking on the ground. Walk, jump. Walking on the ground. Walking. One more. Walking on the ground. Walk. Jump. Walking on the ground. Thank you. Thank you for watching. But you will have homework. Untuk PR kalian akan Miss Jey jelaskan di slide berikut ini. Okay? So, see you next week. Bye-bye.